Hello, welcome. Today I was considering to use a shape merge to create interesting shapes instead of using a Boolean operation, because this option will help you to cut holes in Polygon by using spline. I think similar thing is included in Blender. I have to divide this. We have to create shape of our window object, soft selection. Oh, perfect. But always save your scene before you do something. Very important. Make a backup of your scene, because you don't know when this software can crash. Okay, now when we go to panel geometry, compound objects, shape merge. Okay, now what I want to create, result or operand. I guess we'll try to check. Oh, this does the job. What we have, cookie cutter or merge? If we use option invert, oh, it's quite interesting feature. What if I use another spline object? I was thinking, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I will try to cut. It's a little bit not good enough, this shape. Looks a little bit. I have to fix this. Perfect. But one thing I don't like, I have to remove this. Like window. I have to check. This seems to be too big. Why my shortcut keyboards don't work? Oh no, something goes wrong. Wait a minute. This shouldn't really happen. I don't know why I cannot sometimes use my shortcut keyboards. Sometimes 3ds Max refuses my shortcut keyboards to work properly. Now pick shape. Okay. I will convert edit poly, but a polygon is ugly. We have to fix this. Why auto smooth doesn't work? Maybe I will use smooth. This tells me to add more geometry to it. If you cannot cut, for some reason you cannot cut sometimes. So that means you have to use a command flip. When you cannot sometimes cut front face of polygon, that means you have to flip polygon. Oh, geometry. This looks a little bit ugly because we need to add more points. I know it doesn't look perfect, but when you add more geometry, more edges, problem will be solved. I want to do something which would be helpful for each one of you, but give me a few seconds. Instead of adding shell modifier, I will do different thing. First of all, I need to check if I can use make planner. Oh, this fixes our issue. Now I will copy this, clone, copy, not instance. When you model mirror, when you create half of the head, instance is being used when you create first part of head, another part of head is being modified automatically. So only copy, because we are not going to create head. Now I want to convert the git poly this. I have to save my project. I do not want this object to crash. I do not want sudden unexpected quit from program by angle. Oh, sorry, I didn't select this polygon. Okay, by angle flip. Don't worry, because we will use this command later on. Now I should border edges without any issue. Did I attach this? No, sorry, I didn't attach this polygon object. You have to attach. Why isn't it working? It should be working. Maybe from this? Oh, sorry, I did in the wrong way. That is why my bridge gave me wrong result. You don't have to add shell modifier. It's not necessary. You only have to use the flip option, and you do exactly the same flip. Now we have ready wall for our house. I should really... Now we have Russian house, not finished, but you can speed up modeling. Oh, of course I still have to add some details to it, but this is a really big step when you create wall. This can speed things up. I hope I was helpful to show you this video. If you see some extra points, remove it. You only need points near edges. Why this message came up? I shouldn't really go back up when I introduce new things to you. When I introduce new options to you, I shouldn't really create backup images. But they are necessary, because when suddenly your Windows suddenly fails, you can quickly restore to your SSD drive. But last advice, when you use Macrium and you restore, Macrium will give you message not all partitions were copied, not enough space. What you do from source, you hold left mouse button, you drag by left mouse button your partition to destination, and it should be fixed, your problem. I did tutorial about this in my previous video. Okay, I hope this will be better, because I was publishing tutorial about shape merge, but the previous tutorial wasn't good enough. I hope you like this video. Bye.